Wipe down. To clean a surface with a cloth. She wiped down the kitchen table after dinner. Please wipe down the car seats before we sit. Two, sweep up. To clean the floor with a broom. He swept up the broken glass. Can you sweep up the leaves in the yard? Three, mop up. To clean liquid from a surface with a mop/cloth. She mopped up the spilled water. The janitor mopped up the dirty floor. Four, vacuum up. To clean using a vacuum cleaner. I vacuumed up the dust from the carpet. She vacuumed up the crumbs in the living room. Five, dust off. To clean dust from something. He dusted off the old books. She dusted off the shelves every morning. Six, take out. To remove something, especially trash. Please take out the garbage. He took out his wallet to pay. Eight, toss out. Meaning, to throw away or discard. He tossed out the empty box. Don't toss out good food. Nine, clear away. Meaning, to remove things and make a place tidy. Please clear away the dishes. They cleared away the toys after playing. Ten, get rid of. Meaning, to remove or throw away something unwanted. I need to get rid of these old clothes. She got rid of the broken chair. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more only English vocabulary.